Hey guys, it's Viva PINKPOSH. Welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So as you guys can see by the title of my video, we are going to be slaying this Fiona wig by Bellami hair. It's a 22-inch straight human hair wig, and she is absolutely gorgeous, guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I laid and slayed down this Bellami hair wig, just keep watching.
I like your face, I like your taste, I like your face, I like your taste, you take me to space, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is my Bellami hair bag, and we are going to be digging into this bag to show you guys how we are going to lay down a human hair lace front wig. So just diving into the bag, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that you are going to pull out of your Bellami bag is going to be your hair care instructions, and this is a pamphlet from Bellami, and it has all of the hair care instructions and directions for caring for your human hair wig. Next thing we have in the Bellami hair bag is the Bellami wig cap, and it's a nude shade wig cap, and we are not going to be using this wig cap to lay down our wig today because we actually want a flawless application. We want it to look as natural as possible, so we are going to be using one of these nude shade stocking caps instead of a mesh stocking cap. So the next thing we have from the Bellami hair bag is going to be this padded paddle brush, and it's your basic hair brush. I do like that the bristles on this brush is not metal, so it will not pull out your hair. The next thing that we have in the bag is a black wig stand, and this is basically so you can plop your wig up so that she stays nice and preserved. And of course, the last thing we have in the bag, which is the most important thing, and it's going to be the Bellami lace front wig. So guys, the wig that we are going to be slaying down today is going to be Bellami's Fiona wig. It's a human hair straight wig, and it's 22 inches long. I'm going to take the wig out of the plastic so we can have a better look at the wig construction. We have your basic hair comb clip that was sewed in there very beautifully. And then on the sides here and here, we have two clips here that actually clip down and up so you can better secure your wig on your head. And then we also have this beautiful strap here, which would be a elastic strap, and it comes with a adjustable strap, so it's just not to one size, so you can basically play with the tightness of the elastic band so that it's not giving you a headache or anything, and it feels super duper comfortable. I also would like to point out that I like the fact that the lace is not super duper long, so it's not hard for beginners to cut, because sometimes having a lot of extra lace, it could be kind of difficult for you guys to know where to cut your lace front, so this makes it really easier. I'm gonna go ahead and put this wig on my head just using the band. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks while the lace is still on here. Again, just for this step, we are going to be cutting off this extra lace. We are not laying it down yet because we haven't even laid our cap down. So we are just cutting off this extra lace to customize the front of the wig. So I am going to take a pair of small scissors, and I'm going to just basically cut around the hairline. And you want to make sure when you're cutting the hairline, you don't want to go in a straight line. You kind of want to zig it out. You don't want it to be a perfect straight hairline. It has to look realistic. So now that I have all of the lace cut off in the front, it is time to lay down our cap. So we are moving on to the second step, which is laying down our stocking cap. Sometimes if you guys want to go full blown wig fabulous, you have to lay down your cap. And I mean doing this using the bald cap method. I don't always do this, but if I am trying to go to an event, I want my wig to look like absolutely laid, so I do like to do the bald cap method. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pull the cap all the way down. So now we are going to go in with the Got To Be gel. This is the most affordable way of laying down your hair. And this gel actually helps with preventing your edges from getting snatched out. So we are going to apply some of this on the perimeter of the cap and my hairline. To put it, basically making a new hairline for myself using this cap. So what you want to do is cut a hole here so that your ears can come out, and it helps to lay the cap in the front here so it's nice and flat. Cut a little hole just so that your air can peek through. Once the cap is dry, then we can completely cut it. So then I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be spray. This is not the freeze spray. I like to use the Bodify hairspray. This is not the freeze spray, but freeze spray works just as well. It's all the same thing. It's just hold spray. Now we are going to go in with the blow dryer so we can dry this up, and then we can get started on the next step. Quick tip, when you are using your blow dryer, make sure your dryer is on cool because the glue will not dry if it's not on cool. Once the cap is dry, you can either repeat the step or you can go ahead and cut the excess of the stocking cap off, which is what I'm gonna do. So you're not panicking. The back of the cap doesn't matter, so just cut off all of the extra, or you could tuck it underneath. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of the Got To Be and put it on the edges here so I can flatten down the cap. The edges, we are going to be placing it so that we can get the cap nice and flat. Okay, so now that my cap is nice and down and flat, we are going to give it a few seconds. You don't want to apply any foundation or anything to tint your cap before it is completely dry. So now that my cap is completely dry, we are going to go ahead and tint the cap the color of my scalp, well, the color of my skin. Using foundation, sometimes I like to use tanning spray, which dries very faster and it's a lot more easier to work with. But today we are going to be using foundation because everybody has foundation. So as an extra precaution, I'm going to go in with some translucent setting powder to basically set the foundation so that it's not wet and it doesn't mess with our wig application. So once I'm finished with my cap, this is how it's going to look. Then you are going to take some alcohol, 99% rubbing alcohol, and a cotton swab, and you're going to clean away the makeup from the hairline. It helps the got to be hold stronger. We're going to go ahead and go in with the got to be again along the hairline, and we are going to blow dry that so that we can get this wig ready to lay on our heads. Okay, so you're gonna put your head down, grab the strap, and you are going to put the wig and throw that hair. So now I am going to basically pull it down, gotta finesse it a little bit, like that. And we just wanna make sure that the wig lines up with the hairline and we're not looking crazy. Good thing about the got to be gel is that you have a few minutes to get your wig situated before it completely dries. So as you guys can see, this is what we are working with. Now I'm gonna go back in with the blow dryer and get this nice and glued down. Okay guys, so this is how the wig looks just cutting the lace, like just cutting off the extra lace. A lot of people like to go ahead now and pluck out some hair so that the hairline looks thinner. This wig, I feel like it isn't that bad, so you don't necessarily have to pluck it. Like you could just wear it like this. Like I would just wear it like this. It looks amazing like this. But you can also go ahead and pluck it, and you can do baby hairs and stuff like that. Sometimes I like to wear baby hairs, sometimes I don't. With this wig, I feel like I don't have to make baby hairs. Like I just love the way this wig looks, guys, like seriously. So guys, this is the finish look. Wow, I think this is like going to be my favorite hair now. How pretty is this wig? And this is just right out of the package. I didn't pre-wash it, I didn't flatten it or anything. It just looks beautiful right out the box. Okay you guys, so I have to say I am super duper impressed at this hair quality. I'm in love, guys. Like I just want to keep this wig on my head forever because I absolutely love it. Like oh my, who is this? Who is this mysterious woman? Guys, oh my god, this wig. I'm in love. Okay guys, so that is going to be the conclusion of the video. You see I have this huge smile on my face because I absolutely love my Bellami hair. And I cannot wait for you guys to try out your own wigs. So if you guys do go ahead and purchase a unit from Bellami Hair, go ahead and use my coupon code, which is PINKPOSH, to save you guys some money during checkout.